Hey. So, like I promised all of you guys, today is unboxing of Harum Manis. So, yang I tahu pasal Harum Manis ni is actually a Malaysian product. It's a Malaysian mango and it's a special mango that is only in season. So, ni kali kedua kot. First time I actually tried the real. Sebab sebelum ni I pernah try tapi I rasa macam tak sedap lah. Macam terlalu harum, tak ada manis. So, kalau nak tengok unboxing ni, Harum Manis selalu datang tip. You know, standard box, okay, not bad. Yang order 2 kilo. But make sure ini paling penting, dimakan pada tarikh hari apa. Actually nak buka pun hari ni kan. So, unboxing kita. Wow. Okay, ada sikit so let's see. Oh my god. So this is apparently Malaysia's golden mango Harum Manis. Tak harum lagi. So untuk 2 kilo you get about 5 pieces and we're gonna try a little bit of this right now. Oh, pisau tak tajam lah bro. Jom kita menantikan. Okay. Ini harum manis. Okay, faham. It's really good. And tak ada masam, banyak manis. I like. Okay guys, get your harum manis if you have not purchased any. Mana I dapat? If you guys want to know where I got my harum manis, just ask me. Take care guys, stay safe.